Students, we will start to solve questions from past papers. The first one, the slope of a line perpendicular to the line whose equation is x over 3 minus y over 5 equals 1 is. Solve for y, separate y to get y equals 4 over 3x minus 4. Slope equals 4 over 3. The slope of a perpendicular line is the opposite reciprocal, so negative 3 over 4. So the answer here is C, negative 3 over 4. Now move to question number 2. What's the range of the data set 8, 12, 12, 15, 18? The range equals the largest value minus the smallest value. So here we have the largest value is 18 and the smallest value is 8. So 18 minus 8 equals 10. What about question 3? If f of x equals x minus 7 over x squared minus 49, for what values of x does the graph of y equals f of x have a vertical asymptote? Here we need to find the vertical asymptote. Vertical asymptotes occur where the denominator is 0 but the numerator is not. The denominator x squared minus 49 factors into x plus 7 times x minus 7. Since both the numerator and the denominator are 0 when x equals 7, a vertical asymptote occurs only at x equals negative 7. Solve question 4. If f of x equals square root of 2x plus 3 and g of x equals x squared plus 1, then f of g of 2 equals, here we want to find f of g of 2. So the first step, find g of 2. Substitute 2 rather than x in g of x to get g of 2 equals 2 squared plus 1, which is equal 5. Now substitute 5 in f of x. F of 5 equals 2, 5 plus 3, square root of 2 times 5 plus 3. So square root of 13. Square root of 13 is 3.61. So the answer here is C. Here we forget to circle about the vertical asymptote. The vertical asymptote here is negative 7, so the answer here is A. Now solve question number 6. The circumference of circle x squared plus y squared minus 10y minus 36 equals 0 is. Complete the square to get x squared plus y, negative 5, all of them squared equals 61. So the radius equals square root of 61. So the circumference, we know this, the circumference equals 2 pi times r. So 2 pi times square root of 61 equals 49. So the answer is B. Question 7. 25% of a group of unrelated students are only children. The students are asked one at a time whether they are only children. What's the probability that the fifth student asked is the first only child? Whether or not students in the group have siblings are independent events. The probability that each of the first 4 is not an only child is 0.75 to the power 4. The probability that the fifth student is an only child is 0.25. So the probability of seeing the first 4 children with siblings and the fifth as an only child is 0.75 to the power 4 times 0.25, which is equal a 0.08. So the answer is B.